Oatmeal's journey began millennia ago, with evidence suggesting its cultivation dating back to the Bronze Age. Originating in the Fertile Crescent, a region in the Middle East known for its agricultural advancements, oats quickly gained popularity, spreading throughout Europe and eventually making their way to the Americas. Over the centuries, oatmeal has graced the tables of peasants and kings alike, its versatility and affordability making it a dietary staple across social classes. In ancient Greece, athletes swore by the energy-boosting properties of oatmeal, consuming it before competitions to fuel their performance. During the medieval period, oatmeal sustained populations through harsh winters, providing vital nutrients when fresh produce was scarce. So, what exactly makes oatmeal such a nutritional powerhouse? Well, for starters, it's a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, providing your body with a steady release of energy throughout the morning. Unlike simple sugars that cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, the complex carbohydrates in oatmeal are broken down slowly, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and preventing those dreaded mid-morning energy slumps. But the benefits don't stop there. Oatmeal is also a good source of protein, essential for building and repairing tissues, and it's packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and zinc. Let's talk about fiber, specifically the soluble fiber found in abundance in oatmeal. This type of fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance in your digestive tract. This gel has several benefits, one of which is slowing down the digestion process. Speaking of heart health, oatmeal truly deserves a gold star in this department. We've already touched upon its cholesterol-lowering abilities, but its benefits for your heart extend far beyond that. The antioxidants present in oatmeal, particularly avenanthramide, have been shown to protect against LDL cholesterol oxidation. This process, where LDL cholesterol becomes damaged by free radicals, is a crucial step in the development of heart disease. By preventing this damage, oatmeal helps maintain the health and elasticity of your arteries, allowing blood to flow freely and reducing the risk of blockages. Now, let's move on to another crucial aspect of our health: digestion. We've already touched upon the soluble fiber in oatmeal and its ability to lower cholesterol, but its benefits for your gut go much deeper. Remember how we talked about soluble fiber forming a gel-like substance in your digestive tract? Well, this gel isn't just great for slowing down digestion and regulating blood sugar, it also acts as a prebiotic. Let's revisit the topic of blood sugar regulation, as it's a crucial aspect of overall health. Managing blood sugar levels is not just important for those with diabetes, but for everyone. It affects our energy levels, mood, and even long-term health outcomes. One food that stands out in this regard is oatmeal. We've already discussed how the soluble fiber in oatmeal slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which is a key factor in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. This helps prevent those dramatic spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling like you're on an energy roller coaster. But there's more to the story. Oatmeal also has a relatively low glycemic index, GI score, which is another reason it's so effective. The GI is a measure of how quickly a food causes your blood sugar levels to rise. Foods with a high GI score are rapidly digested and absorbed, leading to quick spikes in blood sugar levels. These rapid spikes can cause a surge of energy followed by a sharp decline, often leaving you feeling tired and sluggish. On the other hand, foods with a low GI score, like oatmeal, are digested and absorbed more slowly. This results in a more gradual and sustained rise in blood sugar, providing a steady source of energy. Incorporating oatmeal into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to help manage your blood sugar levels and maintain overall health. So, next time you're planning your breakfast, consider reaching for a bowl of oatmeal. While we've focused heavily on the digestive and cardiovascular benefits of oatmeal, it's important to note that this humble grain offers a plethora of additional health perks. For instance, oatmeal can be a valuable ally in weight management, thanks to its high fiber content and ability to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. By promoting satiety, oatmeal can help reduce overall calorie intake and prevent overeating, making it an excellent breakfast choice for those trying to lose or maintain a healthy weight. While oatmeal reigns supreme in the breakfast kingdom, boasting a treasure trove of health benefits, it's not entirely without its critics. Like any food, Consuming it in excess or without considering potential drawbacks can lead to less than desirable outcomes. One such concern revolves around phytic acid, a naturally occurring compound found in oats and other grains, legumes, and nuts. Phytic acid, often dubbed an anti-nutrient, has garnered attention for its ability to bind to certain minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium in the digestive tract, potentially hindering their absorption. Another aspect to consider when incorporating oatmeal into your daily routine is its gluten content. While oats themselves are inherently gluten-free, they are often processed in facilities that also handle gluten-containing grains like wheat, barley, and rye, increasing the risk of cross-contamination. For individuals with celiac disease, an autoimmune disorder triggered by gluten consumption, even trace amounts of gluten can trigger a cascade of adverse reactions, leading to digestive distress, nutrient deficiencies, and long-term health complications. As with any dietary change, moderation is key when incorporating oatmeal into your daily routine. While a warm bowl of oatmeal can be a nutritious and satisfying way to start your day, consuming excessive amounts can lead to digestive discomfort, particularly for those unaccustomed to a high-fiber diet. It's important to listen to your body's cues and gradually increase your intake of oatmeal, allowing your digestive system time to adapt to the increased fiber content. Starting with a smaller portion size and gradually increasing it over time can help minimize any potential digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea. As we've journeyed through the nutritional landscape of oatmeal, exploring its impact on heart health, digestion, blood sugar regulation, and more, it's evident that this humble grain offers a holistic boost to our well-being. But its benefits extend beyond the purely physical, influencing our energy levels, mood, and even our cognitive function. The sustained energy provided by oatmeal's complex carbohydrates and low GI score translates to increased focus, improved concentration, and a more stable mood throughout the day. One of the most remarkable aspects of oatmeal is its incredible versatility, effortlessly adapting to diverse dietary needs and preferences. From a simple, classic bowl of oats to an elaborate gourmet creation, oatmeal can be customized to suit any taste or dietary requirement. Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, watching your sugar intake, or simply seeking creative ways to elevate your breakfast bowl, oatmeal serves as a blank canvas for culinary exploration. You can start with a basic bowl of oats and transform it with a variety of toppings and mix-ins. For those following a vegan lifestyle, oatmeal provides a hearty and satisfying source of plant-based protein and fiber. It's an excellent way to start your day with a nutritious meal that keeps you full and energized. Simply prepare your oatmeal with water or a plant-based milk alternative like almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk, and sweeten it naturally with fruit, maple syrup, or a drizzle of agave nectar. You can also add a variety of nuts and seeds for extra crunch and nutrition. Individuals with gluten sensitivity can rejoice in the abundance of certified gluten-free oats available, ensuring a safe and delicious way to enjoy this breakfast staple. These oats are processed in a way that prevents cross-contamination with gluten, making them a perfect choice for those with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. For those mindful of their sugar intake, oatmeal can be a low-sugar breakfast option. By choosing natural sweeteners like fresh berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a touch of vanilla extract, you can enjoy a delicious and healthy meal without the added sugars. The possibilities are endless when it comes to creating your perfect bowl of oatmeal. Experiment with different flavors, textures, and ingredients to find your favorite combination. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, simple or elaborate, oatmeal is a versatile and nutritious choice for everyone. Incorporating oatmeal into your daily routine is more than just a dietary choice. It's a commitment to nourishing your body from the inside out. It's about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes wholesome, nutrient-rich foods that fuel your body and mind. As we conclude our exploration into the world of oatmeal, it's clear that this humble grain deserves a standing ovation. Its journey from ancient fields to our modern breakfast tables is nothing short of remarkable. From its ancient origins to its modern-day resurgence as a health food hero, Oatmeal has consistently nourished populations across the globe, providing sustenance, vitality, and a comforting warmth that transcends cultures and generations. The story of oatmeal is a testament to its enduring appeal and nutritional value. More than just a breakfast staple, oatmeal embodies a holistic approach to well-being, impacting not only our physical health but also our mental clarity, energy levels, and overall sense of vitality. It's a food that brings people together, creating moments of connection and joy around the breakfast table. Its ability to regulate blood sugar, promote digestive harmony, support heart health, and contribute to a healthy weight makes it a true nutritional powerhouse, deserving of a prime spot in our pantries and on our breakfast tables. Oatmeal is not just food. It's a lifestyle choice that aligns with our quest for better health and well-being. But beyond its impressive resume of health benefits, oatmeal captivates us with its versatility, affordability, and ease of preparation. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, hot or cold, oatmeal adapts to your culinary creativity, making it a beloved staple in kitchens around the world. Its simplicity is its strength, offering endless possibilities for delicious and nutritious meals. Now that you've delved into the incredible world of oatmeal and its impact on your health, we'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite ways to enjoy this versatile grain? Do you have any go-to oatmeal recipes that you swear by? Share your thoughts, tips, and culinary creations in the comments section below. Let's create a thriving community of oatmeal enthusiasts, inspiring each other to embrace a healthier, happier, and more wholesome lifestyle, one delicious bowl at a time. And if you found this video informative and helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health, nutrition, and well-being. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to detox from sugar and learn how to curb your sugar cravings, watch the video on your screen next.